morning. This is your Merengue Queen. Today is September 18 and then my workout for today. I'm working night shift tonight. And I just wanted to share the song that I composed. Originally composed. Yan ah. Wala tayong pinagayahan dyan na kanta. Baka kahit search nyo pa. Huwag nyo ka-copyright na. Char! I dedicated this song to my Japanese sister. Ang dami kong sister talaga. Pero ito talagang friend ko na to. Grabe talaga siya. I really appreciate her kasi sobrang minahal niya ako bilang friend niya. As in, pinahalagahan niya ako. At ganun ko din siya kamahal bilang kaibigan ko, ganyan. So, meron kami, yung age gap namin is medyo mataas, pero pag magkasama kami, para lang kaming magkaedad. Kasi matanda na kasi ako mag-isip, parang 60 years old. Wala lang. Nakakatuwa lang ba na merong ganong klaseng tao na talaga namang i-appreciate ka. Well, iba naman yung love na nakukuha natin sa family natin. Iba din yung love na nakukuha natin sa friends natin. Ganyan. Or iba din yung love na nakukuha natin sa mga boyfriends. Ganyan. Pero itong para sa akin, ito talaga is precious siya. Kasi hindi ko akalain na may ganito akong klaseng moments sa buhay ko na merong isang tao na talaga namang basta super close to my heart. Alam mo, hindi ko naman siya nakilala for so long. Mga 2 years pa lang, pero grabe na yung friendship namin, yung moments with each other, ganyan. Sobrang strong niya. Though hindi ko laging pinopost sa Facebook, ganyan. We keep it private. Sometimes lang. That is why, to you, my dear sister, if you're watching, now I am really filming myself. And I don't know if I'm in tune. If I'm not, I'm sorry, guys. But I just wanted to express my feelings through music. I am not a singer, but I always want to express myself by singing. Alam mo naman tayong mga Pilipino, tayo ay likas na mga singer sa banyo, singer sa kusina, kahit saan na lang. We love our own voice. Ganyan tayo confident. Char! Ayun na nga. Basta, itong kanta na to hindi lang, dinedicate ko to sa aking super close friend, sa aking big sister, but itong kanta na to, sinishare ko to sa inyo at pwede nyo rin siyang i-dedicate sa inyong mga sariling mga close friends or kahit sa inyong sariling kapatid. Ako, wala akong kapatid kasi only child ako, ganyan. Baka sa susunod, gagawa na naman ako ng ibang kanta, pero hindi ko alam kung kailan. Baka after 20 years na naman. So, ilang taon ako after 20 years, mga 50 plus. Oh my God, for the edad. So, ito na yung kanta. The title of the song is I Thank You, My Sister. Originally composed by me. Hindi lang tayo baker, composer na din tayo. Hindi lang tayo caregiver, hindi lang tayo baker. Composer na din konti. Musician na rin po, char lang. Kasi sa akin kasi everyday is a learning process. Gusto ko lagi akong may mga binubuting-ting ng mga kung ano-ano ganyan. Hindi talaga ako mapakali. Siguro may balat ako sa puwet, pero feeling ko naman wala. Pero feeling ko lang din meron. Yung mga kaibigan ko dyan, kahit di na magsalita, alam na nila yan. Kahit yung mga kapamilya ko. Alam nila, makulit talaga ako. Ayan, wag na natin patagalin pa. Itong kantang ito. This is for you. And for everybody. Let's go. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, hindi tayo magaling. Nakakalimutan pa natin minsan yung chords. First time I met you, it was love at first sight. I thought I can't get close to you cause I was kinda shy. But then I can't help myself and tried my best to reach you out. We ended up messaging each other every day. I was afraid that it would end right away. I thank you, my sister, for being so kind. You are not perfect, but you are in my eyes. I thank you, my sister, for being my best friend. Here's to now and forever. I love you. I might have all my flaws and you accepted them all. You are not just my sister but also my mom. I don't know what to feel when you are not around, because every time I'm with you, everything is warm. I thank you, my sister, for being so kind. You are not perfect, but you are in my eyes. I thank you, my sister, for being my best friend. Here's to now and forever. When the time comes that we're gonna part ways, I just have to remember all the things that you've said. I will keep it in my heart until my last breath. I thank God for everything, 'cause our friendship will never fade. I thank you, my sister, for being so kind. You are not perfect, but you are in my eyes. I thank you, my sister, for being my best friend. Here's to now and forever. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Yes! Hey! Thank you so much. Thank you for listening. Huwag niyo akong i-bash. Basta I'm so proud. Kulat kamay ko to ha. Kanta ko to. Huwag kayo ano dyan. Bye! This is what Japan made me.